In this video, I am going to guide you how you can check reviews posted by travelers, how to reply them, how to report them. Okay. To do that, simply once you are logged into your account on HotelonCall.com, you go to your dashboard, then you go to reviews, and you will see all the reviews which have been posted by the travelers. Okay, so this is one review which has been posted and you want to reply that. Okay, so if you want to reply, simply click on post reply and then mention your reply. Like for example, I'm going to put up the reply: thank you so much for your uh, review, and we think you will come again. That's it. So I have replied back, and this same review will be also available on the hotel page of Casa Rainbow Yoga Retreat on HotelonCall.com. Now let's say you saw one review over here which is not good. When I say not good, it's a spam review. Okay, in that case, what you can do is you can report this review. So to report this review, simply click on report review, then select the reason or the reason to report it. Okay, so let's say this is a spam review. Now make sure you are not going to report reviews which are actually genuine, but because the rating has been given by the traveler, maybe one rating, and the review is not good about your property. In that case, if you are going to report it, we are not going to delete it. Okay, so that's not the way we treat travelers and hotels. So we basically treat both equally. But yes, if a review is not correct or a review is a spam review, then you can report it, and we will check that reporting which you have done. And if we think that we think that yes, the review is actually a spam, we will delete it from backend, or else we will not delete it, and it will show on your property page. Okay, so now in this case, let me show you again. So this is spam comment over here, so I'm going to report it. So to report it, just click on report review, then select the reason, spam review, and then submit. So basically this review has been reported, and we will check it, and then we will delete it within 24 hours, and it will also go from here also. So please make sure don't report reviews which are genuine just because the traveler has given you one rating or the review is not good, it's negative. And also you will have to ask travelers to give you review on HotelonCall.com. The reason is that any traveler who is coming on HotelonCall.com, they are not booking hotel through us, so we don't know or we basically don't have any contact details about the traveler. They just come on our website, they look for deals, they look for hotels, and they simply call you and book directly. So basically you have the contact details of the traveler, you know him, we don't know him, and we even don't know who is booking the room with your hotel. So basically you need to ask the traveler to give you review on HotelonCall.com. This way, the more reviews you are going to collect on HotelonCall.com, the more traveler who are coming on our website will trust your property, and they will basically book you instead of your competitors.